This is week 5 of my FX control journey of me trying to get a profitable trader. The market showed no clean setups this week or at the beginning of the week. We have so much volume, so let's get right into it. Coming into this week, I prepared 4 possible trades, clear levels, clear conditions and clear invalidation. But preparation only matters if the market gives me the right moves and behaves correctly. And so far it hasn't. So yesterday I had 6 potential setups that I would like to trade, but today the market is looking very different. Like, we had so big moves that these setups might not function anymore. So first of all, let's start with the trade that I'm already in, and that would be USD CAD. So on the daily you can see we are in a downtrend. Like, this is the whole move, we never closed above it, so we are just consolidating inside of this big move. We are currently in a downtrend. We never shifted bullish right here, and here we had a little break of structure to the upside and then to the downside. So I'm trying to sell this right here right now. So you can see we had so big moves right here and right here, but that's the only pair I wanted to trade today because we had a liquidity sweep as well. Like, we sweep this high and this high. So I thought, let's just enter off this. I entered like at this pullback right here, exactly at this position where you can see. Right now it is looking pretty good, but I actually don't know if this trade is going to my take profit. But yeah, we can see. So let's head on to the other 6 trades that I would like to take this week if the market is behaving good. So right now I still have 6 potential trades I would like to take if price does its thing. So here we are on the first one, that's USD ZHF. I would like to get a close under this area of interest. Yesterday we were at this point, but we smashed right through the area of interest. So now I want to wait for a close under and a quick retest so I can sell after. So let's hop on NZD CAD next. On NZD CAD you can see we have a clear bias. As you can see, we are clearly in a downtrend, and I just want a quick pullback into this area of interest right here. I drew in this area of interest and this one. This right here has a head and shoulders too, so this would be perfect. We are on our way to retest this area of interest, and then I would like to sell down to this area of interest, like the key level. We already retested it, but I'm not counting this because it's so high volume right now in the market. When we opened the new week, like, look at this candle, what is this for a candle? And we still cleanly got down, so I'm not counting this dip as a dip of an area of interest. So I'm still waiting to get the retest of this head and shoulders neckline to then sell to the downside like this. Yeah, like this. So let's head into Euro GBP. On Euro GBP we are also in a uptrend. I drew in this area of interest right here where we have 1, 2 and 2 points, 2 touch points. Okay, wait, no, so I need to have this area of interest. So let's do it like that. This is our area of interest right now. So what I want to price do is get into my area of interest right here and then get an engulfing just as usual, but now we also have high volume, so there's big candles, so engulfing is a bit not too good because I want a good risk to reward and I don't want to close under this. So a little dip of an area of interest and EMA 50 would be great, a retest. Sorry. So yeah, let's head on to AUD CAD. On AUD CAD Yesterday we were in an uptrend. Right now, as I already said, we have so high volume. It just smashed through our area of interest. It would have been a great area of interest. It does not have free touches, but we are in a uptrend, like we are uptrending like so long ago already. So it just makes sense if it gets a quick retest of this head, neck, whatever you want to call it, structure area. And we got that, but we just smashed right past it. And like again this candle, so I'm waiting for a break above and a quick retest to then buy to the upside. So let's head on to GBP USD. On GBP USD, I want to wait for a market shift on the daily, so a candlestick close on the daily under this structure area, so I can use this area of interest or this area of interest to then sell to the downside. So I want to do a quick retest of it, this area or this area. So I just need to wait. Maybe it's happening this week, maybe next week, we can see. So let's head on to the last pair. Let's on to the next pair, Euro CHF. Sorry, on Euro CHF we were consolidating so much in this area and we finally got a breakout. So I wanted to get a quick retest of this area where we consolidated to then sell to the downside, but because of the high volume we already basically did it. The whole move happened without me. I'm still waiting for a retest to maybe then sell, because I'm not counting this as a structure level. So if we close above this, we are not in an uptrend, we are still in a downtrend. So I'm still waiting for price to retest this area of interest. So that would already be it with the week. So either tomorrow or in 2 days we are doing a quick market update to how the trade is going currently that I'm in, and to how the other possible trades are going. Weeks like this test something deeper, not strategy, but it's the ego. When the market ignores your bias, like in my example, the temptation is to prove yourself right. Add positions, entry earlier, or lower standards. Discipline means waiting for the market to deserve your risk. 1 active trade, 6 possible setups, and maybe 1 forced trade, but I'm trying to improve. I'm not profitable yet. The market decides direction and I decide preparation. Structure decisions even when structure is unclear. This is FX control.